$350,000 earned, 2 AI agents built worth 6 figures each, featured on top media coverage. It's safe to say that coding with and for AI has changed my life. My name is Ritesh Verma and I'm an engineer and tech entrepreneur. In this video, I'm going to share how AI has changed my life as a tech entrepreneur and developer and how it will change yours too. I have been coding for 10 years now, starting with Android app development in Lua, to then writing programs in Java, Python, to building apps with React.js, to now using AI to build AI-powered apps. Yeah, using AI to build AI. Before AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Cursor existed, I, like most developers, used Visual Studio Code and my own brain. Building apps took weeks or months, never days. Stack Overflow was every developer's best friend. I probably spent more time on Stack Overflow than with my own family. It was brutal. As long as the building process for an app was, research was worse. At least building an app felt like a video game. Researching felt like my high school history class all over again. And this made me want to quit building apps. But then, something changed. ChatGPT came about and figuring out errors in code went from taking hours to minutes. Finding the answer to whatever you needed as a developer went from going down Stack Overflow rabbit holes to just 2-sentence prompts in ChatGPT. The research process was no longer an issue.
Okay, but building still took forever, right?
But then that changed too. AI IDEs like Cursor and Windsurf took the developer scene by storm and I became an addict. I was in love with Cursor. No, not in that way. That's weird. Go touch some grass. But using Cursor felt like I was building apps with a non-judgmental, super coding genius friend every step of the way. It knew exactly what I was thinking and would autocomplete entire functions for me. If I did not understand something, Cursor was my all-knowing college professor that would explain things in a snap. The best part, 4 to 5 simple prompts in Cursor resulted in entire code bases being built. And then other AI tools like Lovable that built out the coolest modern looking UIs came up, which made me, someone who isn't the best with building UIs, seem like a UI pro. But in reality, I was just typing out English sentences in Lovable AI. My time to build an app went from months to weeks to days. Things were changing quick. I began building like a madman. My YouTube channel was gaining views, I was networking with more and more clients, and before I knew it, I had several entrepreneurs coming to me to build out their $1 million app ideas. And they were paying big cash. Before Cursor, I could only take on 2 to 3 client projects at a time. But now, endless. Every 3 to 5 days, I was and am able to build an app or AI agent either for a client or myself. Whether it be a $3,000 AI agent that runs payrolls for employees or a $2,000 AI agent that generates colorful QR codes for travelers, everything was being built fast with high quality. Oh, and in all of this, I was able to build an agent that earned $9,400 of profit in a single month. And the cool part was, I was the only one whose life was changing with AI. Many other young hustlers saw this opportunity of app development being 10 times easier with the help of AI, that very quickly, the simplest, dumbest apps were now earning thousands to millions a month. Apps that would take you less than a week to build were now money printing machines. Let's take Cal AI, a simple app where you take a picture of food and it gives you the calorie and macronutrient breakdown. Great for anyone who is in fitness, which should be all of you. Now here's how you can build Cal AI within 3 days. Simply build a basic UI using Lovable, integrate OpenAI API with the GPT-4o model into your app, submit the photo taken by the user to the API with the following prompt, and in return, you will get a full nutrient breakdown of your food. Now you can display all that nutrient information in your cool looking UI that you built with Lovable. And if you want to build an even better UI, just take screenshots of your favorite app, let's say Cal AI, submit it to Lovable and ask it to build an exact replica. So your UI is guaranteed to look as cool as Cal AI's UI. All of this is less than a day of work. Once this is done, you can spend one more day making small fixes and UI improvements, and boom, there you go. You rebuilt an app worth $10 million in 2 days. It's easy, isn't it? As a software engineer at a big tech company and someone who has a 4-year computer science degree, I can honestly admit that my degree feels a bit outdated, but I adapted. I am following the exact same AI app building formula to build my next app, and I documented it in an hour-long video. The AI space is swarming with money and it's up to you to make the decision to learn. AI changed my life for the better. Don't let it change yours for the worse.